Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So let's continue our class. Okay. So first we'll see the animation of this. Okay. Let's watch an animation. Natural resources.
Natural resources. The Earth is unique among all the planets. It is the only planet known to have air and water, and therefore life. Air and water have made plant and animal life possible. Air, water, plants, and animals are found on the surface of the Earth. The Earth's crust also contains certain metallic and non-metallic minerals that are of great use to us. All these together make up the natural wealth or resources of the Earth. Let us learn about them. Air is a natural resource with many uses. All its constituents are useful to us. For example, oxygen helps us breathe. Carbon dioxide helps plants make food, which we end up consuming. Water vapor gives rain, and so on. All living things need water. We need water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing, and growing crops. We have to take steps to not waste water and conserve it. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They purify the air we breathe. Trees provide us shade, wood for fuel, timber, medicines, and so on, and they also provide shelter to animals and birds.
So plants are useful to us in many ways, right? So they purify the airs we breathe, and these provide us with the shade, wood for fuels, timber, medicines, and so on. And they provide shelter to the animals also. And they gives us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, and the many other things, right? We are getting this all from the plants only. And the plants also provide us with the fibers such as the cotton, jute, sisal, and the flax for making the different kinds of cloths. And they provide herbivores with the food. Carnivores cannot survive without the herbivores, right? Herbivores means plant eaters. Carnivores means flesh eaters, right? So and so depend on the plants indirectly for food. Then when plants decay, they form the humus and they enrich the soil. Thus plants are useful to us in many ways.
They give us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, and many other things. Plants also provide us with fibers such as cotton, jute, sisal, and flax for making different kinds of cloth. Plants decay, they form humus and enrich the soil. Animals are very useful to us. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Goats, sheep, and some other animals give us wool. Cattle and goats also provide meat.
So next is animals. So from earliest times, human beings have the domesticated animals, right? Like cows, buffaloes, and goats gives us milk. Goats, sheep, and some other animals gives us the wools also. So cattle and the goats also provide the meats. हम लोगों को इनसे क्या है? Meat भी मिलता है. Then hens and the ducks provide us with the eggs and the meat. Hens और ducks के जो है हम eggs भी मिल सकते हैं उनसे हमको और meat भी. Then camels, bullocks, horses, and the oxen are used to pull carts and carriages. Horses and the camels are used for the riding also. Then the dung of animals is used as the manure to make the soil fertile. Cow dung को जो है हम fertile करने के लिए भी use करते हैं. It is also used to produce biogas और काउ डंग को जो है बायोगैस बनाने के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता है. उसको यूज़ करके जो है उसका बायोगैस बनाया जाता है. एंड द लेदर इज मेड फ्रॉम द स्किन ऑफ द एनिमल्स. जो लेदर्स जो होते हैं वो भी कैसे बनते हैं? एनिमल्स की स्किन से बनते हैं. देन सिल्क इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द सिल्क वॉर्म, हनी फ्रॉम बीज, एंड लैक फ्रॉम एन इंसेक्ट्स. ओके, so transport, food, silk, wool, leather, these are the some different uses of the animals.
Hens and ducks provide us with eggs and meat. Camels, bullocks, horses, and oxen are used to pull carts or carriages. Horses and camels are used for riding. The dung of animals is used as manure to make the soil fertile. It is also used to produce biogas. Animals serve many more endless uses for humans. Rocks from the earth crust are made up of different